Hi guys, I had an issue with my Shark vacuum cleaner. The roller broke, so let me take it out of the package and I'll show you how to install that. Alright, so to replace this, all we're going to do is we're going to open it up, pull out the broken one, put in the new one, and cover it up. Pause. All right, so that does come with two of these air filters here. So to replace that, you're just going to take it out and put the new one in like this. And now you got a new air filter on it. Okay, the next I'm gonna change out this filter right here. So on the left side, you just open it up and pull it out. Look at how gross that is. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. Should have done this over a trash can. But put the new one in, put it in there, and close it. All right, there's another filter in here, guys. So you just push this down and pull this down, it says, and then put this new one right in here. Then you put the cover right back on it. That's how you change out that filter. All right, guys, so you saw me change out the roller and all the filters. So this kit is really everything that you need to make your vacuum cleaner new again. So if you guys are in the market, go ahead and get this kit. It will definitely make your Shark vacuum new again. Thanks.